Assalamu alaikum and good morning to you all. So how are you kids? Here I am, your teacher of Islamiyat. This is our oral subject basically. There are no books, nothing. So this would be an oral activity and oral things you need to learn with me. Orally, all of the things that need to be memorized in Islamiyat. Okay. I am Faradiba. I have introduced you myself already that I am going to teach you Urdu and Islamiyat. So this is our Islamiyat period and this is an oral subject in which we are going to learn about different things. Tawuz, Tasmiya, first kalima, second kalima. Do you know Tawuz in your life before like I am saying you a name, Tawuz, before that you have heard? Have you heard it before? Tawuz? Maybe you didn't and you don't know the name of Tawuz, but you know what is Tawuz actually. Do you know? No, I'm not going to tell you. Let me show you the video. You enjoy the video? 4 or 5 times you watch the video. Then I will tell you what we are going to do. Okay? This is it. You will see the video. You will listen to it carefully. You will see the picture, and then we will discuss it later. Okay?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. 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 أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
So, children, what you have seen in the video, what you have watched in the video. Yes, you have come to know about Auzu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. You have read it before. I think many of you know it. Oh, let me listen one by one from you all, and then I will tell you why we use it for. Maybe you know it as well. Good. Mashallah. Great. Nice to hear. Perfect. What was the picture in the video? Are you scared of that? That is quite a scary picture, didn't you know? Don't you think so? Yes, he is the devil, a bad person. So why we recite Tawus? To make him run away. Exactly, because whenever he is gonna come to attack on us, we just need to say Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Then the devil will run away. Yes. And what does Tawuz mean? I seek refuge of Allah from Shaitan Yes, I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil. I seek refuge of Allah from Shaitan, the apostle. There are two different kind of translations. So we will learn them. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge with Allah from Satan, from the accursed devil. Again read it. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil. And when do we recite Tawuz? To make the devil run away. When we recite Holy Quran and by stopping ourselves from doing bad things. Next time, whenever you think that you are going to do something bad or evil, you need to recite Tawuz. Okay? What is Tawuz? Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Good. Children, the link of this video in which devil is there, I have shared in your screen chat box. You can watch the video later on from our own channel, Edward. So it will be easy for you to learn Tawuz. And I will listen this Tawuz in the next class with the translation. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil. Okay? So this is our lesson for today. You need to recite it at your home. Ask your parents to recite it with you and to learn it with you. Then I will hear it from you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.